Alright, here is something I want to show you guys. Do I have any stack motor fans throughout my life? No. I do not have any stack motor fans throughout my life when I was young. How many years have I been collecting fans? 4 years. Next year will be 5. And you'll be asking, have you ever tried to find a stack motor fan throughout life? Yes, I've been trying to find it, but I was unlucky to find one. I tried to get it out of 5, but couldn't get it. So it was the one time I regret passing that up because of my parents. So what I have here is something special, and today I present you guys my newest fan. Yay! This is from the Ron Rezek company. So excited that this fan came in the mail. So I'll show you guys this. It is a Cirrus. Yeah, it is. It's a legit Cirrus fan. And I'm not going to show you this side because it had my house address on it. So, yeah. I'm going to unbox my newest fan. This is going to be an unboxing video too. So let's take this out. Open the box. See what's inside. Okay, I've always been confused. Alright. I'll have to start this side first. I guess I'm not complicated. It is. I wonder why. I can center first. Alright. Should be open. Should be open by then. Alright. For more, this fan. Dang it. Alright. This is a fan I've been wanting for a while, for the longest time now. So, I've been for a little while after seeing these in the zoo. Pretty rough to open, if you ask me. Alright, here it is. Here's my fan. Here it is, the instructions. Okay, so what variation is this? Okay, here's the back. What is that? Okay, what the heck? Let's open the back. It's an instruction manual. The one I got here is the original version of the Cirrus manual. This is the original version of it. Well, no, this is an LD version of it. Here's the optional controls for this fan. This is here's the DC version of it. However, mine is not even DC. Yeah. So those are the manuals. Those are the parts. Okay, so this is the main component. Here's the blades. They came in aluminum blade finish. So it's made in Taiwan. Here's the longer down rod. We'll open up the motor. Open it up. We'll open it up. Here it is, the motor. Just lift this up for a bit at this point. Oh, yes! Heck yeah. Oh, here it is. This is the motor. Here's the motor. This is a stock motor model. Oh, also you can see the blade ring is a flywheel. Utilizes the imported GE stack motor. Because some of you guys on Facebook would want to know about this. Here is the existing bottom dome. Here is the optional control. This is the receiver, I think. This. So here is the. Okay, what is it? Alright. Got the balancing kit. Got the screws and hardware bag. Okay, we're gonna pull this out. I don't have to pull this out. Dang it, this is the mounting bracket. Yeah, this is the mounting bracket for the fan. Here is the GU10 bulb. This is the LED bulb. This is the exact bulb that the 151 Pensy LED uses. One LED light. Here is the light kit, included with the reflective tape on it, and a GU10 light socket. Yay! I finally got it! I was supposed to get it in June. Had to be pushed back because someone who works here left that company. I'm not gonna say whose name in it, but yeah. I finally got, this is a 350 light. They supplied me the LED bulb, so yay. I am so lucky to have this fan. I was so happy that I got this. And this is my first K55 stack motor fan. So, that is it. My new fan from the Modern Fan Company. This will be the first experience I'm going to have with this fan. So, if you guys want to see the control I picked, I will show you it. Open this up for you. So this is the O3 remote. Dang it. Well, this is a discontinued model of the original stack motor model, but it still puts in a nostalgic in it. If I can open this up, dang thing up, and whatever. This is the O3 remote. This is the receiver. Came in two pieces. Can't open this too. Whatever. So, yeah. See, here is, it says suitable for damp locations. Do you see? This has a here it is, motor load and motor neutral, light load, light neutral. So it's in brushed aluminum. The top fan. Let's see the top. Not sure. This is where it covers the top. So inside, you could see an imported G stack motor. Here's the wires. And yeah, I finally got my first K55 fan, which utilizes the imported G stack motor. So thank you guys for watching. Please like the video if you want to see this video in action.